All right, you guys, here we go. Let's take it home. Can't give you try to give you you guys a temperature outside, about 41. Just prime leather time. I have got the gear on. It ain't supposed to rain, according to the weatherman, but I got sprinkles all around me. Juicy. This was a long day today. We had to put in quite a few hours sitting waiting on our load. But we got it done. Let's see if we can make it home before it get wet.
Yay!
Huh? All right, stay tuned. Here we go.
I have my Arctic insulated snowmobile pants. They are insulated, they are water resistant, and I got them on because it's cool outside and there's a little rain in the forecast. Now we're gonna try to get home before we get our panties wet. Whew, I ain't got much on my mind. My mind is clear. This is day 2 after my vacation, and I'm still trying to get over it, man. I need about 3 good days off to really do a zero. I need 3 0 days excuse me, to get my mind right. But I'm gonna get it right. And in the meantime, we have a lot of people that have jobs that have to have their vacations put in for the next year. So I need to get with the crew or my biker family and see exactly. We threw a couple of things around while we was in Key West. So one of the trips that I'm thinking about doing again with the ones that's never done it is going to Niagara Falls. A couple of the folks has never been to Niagara Falls. I've been twice already. Might do a bikecation that way, and just got to come up with a good date. Might do Key West again. This would have been 5. This is 5 times for me, so don't know if I do that again or do something else. I don't know. It's not going to be a real big, heavy travel year for me. I still have Alaska on my mind. And when I do my Alaska trip, I'm going to have my soldiers with me. What I mean by soldiers, I'm talking about my hard-nosed guys that know me, I know them. We can cuss each other out, slap each other on the back, get over it, pull together, run some things off each other. My soldiers, man, the ones that really, really got my back. That's going to be a hard trip. That's gonna be a hard nose trip, and I'm gonna need some great people around me to encourage me along the way. I do the same thing and try to keep those troublemakers away. There's always one troublemaker on every trip. Always one. Sometimes two. And usually, if that one is both of them, then the troublemaker goes out the window, and that's when they're an asshole. So try not to be that one, and definitely don't be that two. So I got some soldier guys that I know will take that trip, and we've been talking about it for a few years. Most of those guys are retired, and they have the time and the money. I am definitely not retired, so basically they're waiting on me, and I need to go ahead and get it done while I still have that fire and desire in my eyes to want to do it. Yeah, right. It's almost 9 o'clock. So that's what it is, y'all. I want to do my Alaska trip. I don't know if it'll be next year or 2023. But either way, if I go to Niagara Falls, I need my passport. I do have a passport, but I need to make sure that I'm still in good standing as far as it's not going to expire. But I definitely got a passport. I need to set that bad boy and check it out. So we're going to run through Canada for sure enough. We're going to come back on a barge on the ferry boat, but we're going to definitely run through Canada. So this last trip right here really kind of makes me take things into perspective of my biker family, and I really hold them real close to my heart. I really hold them close to my heart, man. It took me years to get a group of folks, guys and girls, that likes to do the same thing that I like to do. And, you know, that's got the machines, that's got the equipment, that has the time, you know, and likes to have fun. So when you find a group like that, you really want to protect them as much as you can, you know, from people that might come in and try to sabotage the group. One thing that I always say, I don't like separation or division. You know, divide and conquer is what they say. So I need to be a little bit more mindful of letting certain folks into my daggum circle, and they come in there and they have not great intentions. So those people will not be going on my trip to Alaska. I don't need those well, they won't be riding with me no more. Once they show me that they got that in their heart, that's a done deal for old Slappy Dog. We let them go ahead and ride with whoever they want to ride with. They need to ride by themselves, to be honest with you. But they won't be riding with me. Not with the Slap Dog. But I have just got out of work on a good fall day. My second day back from working or vacation. It ain't supposed to rain till Thursday. But you can see by the windshield, there's a little rain dropping on me now. And we're going to take it on in before the bottom fall out, if it is going to fall out. Let me give you a daggone this. Let me give you a temperature check here. Now, I know it ain't 50 degrees, but that's what my bike said. It may be about 48, 50, I don't know. Well, I'm going to head on in, you guys, and jump my ass up in the bed so I can do it again. I'm calling to my bed right now. I'm coming, baby. I'm going to give my pillow some head and my sheets some ass. Ah, let's bust these corners right quick. Then I'm going to let you go on. Let me hit a few of these corners right quick, and I'm going to let you go on. All right. That's enough, Slappy. That's enough of them corners. Let them go, Slappy. Let them go. Woo!
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.